Extending walls, slabs, and columns can be complex and labor-intensive. In this example, we need to extend the existing wall by lap splicing new rebar into the existing structure. To lap splice the rebar requires a deep embedment with a large overlap, and this can be a challenge. Current solutions for this application are generally done in one of the following ways. Chipping away the concrete to expose the rebar, tie in new rebar, and pour the new concrete. Using a diamond core drill to core out large holes close to the existing rebar and then grout in the hole. Or getting rid of the entire existing structure and starting from scratch. These methods can be costly, time-consuming, and labor-intensive. The International Building Code now allows anchor manufacturers to qualify chemical anchor systems for post-installed rebar. This helps to ensure that products and installation techniques used perform properly for the application. Hilti introduces the industry's first solution for embedments required for lap splicing and developing post-installed rebar using chemical anchors that are faster and easier to install, as well as ICC approved. Contractors can now do lap splicing applications by drilling a hole, either with Hilti SafeSet installation methods, which require no hole cleaning, or using standard drilling and hole cleaning methods. Once the hole is prepared, inject the adhesive using Hilti's best-in-class installation accessories, which includes the HDE battery dispenser and piston plug. The piston plug helps properly inject the adhesive evenly without creating air voids to help ensure full performance. Extend walls, slabs, and columns faster and easier with the industry's first qualified post-installed rebar system.